Hello all, welcome back to our favorite V and Data channel. In our previous video, we have seen about mode, variance, percentile. In this video, let us see how to implement them using Python. Let us get into the video. In our previous video, we have seen some basic statistics and they are hands-on. The people who have not watched them yet, it is not at all a problem. The link is provided in the description. You can now see that. Today we are going to see about mode, variance and percentile. Okay. Today the required packages are statistics and NumPy as NP. So we create an array with the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. Let us consider this as a sample. For these set of sample, we take percentile, 10 percentile, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile and 90th percentile. Now to find the 10th percentile, in NumPy we call percentile and pass our sample. And then we mention what percentile is required. Here we give it as 10. So similarly we mention 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile and 90 percentile. Using these we get data distribution of percentile. So what is the distribution of 15th percentile? What is the distribution of 75th percentile? Like that we are going to get. Next, we have found the variance. For the given sample, we have called the statistics which is imported and then find the variance. Variance is a distribution of the sample. How far it is distributed from the mean. Then we find mode. Mode means what are all the values that are frequently occurred. So repetition of values, it is mode. Now let us execute this. So for this data set, 10th percentile is 1.6. So which tells 10% of the data occurs below 1.6 and other 90% is going to be greater than 1.6. Similarly for 25th percentile it is 2.5. For 50% it is 3.0, which tells 50% of the data occurs below 3.0 and 50% of the data occurs above 3.0. Then for 75 it is 4.5 and for 90 it is 5.4. Now the variance. Variance is finding the level of distribution. So here the variance is 2. Mode is most frequently occurred data. For this data set, the mode is 3 because 3 occurred frequently. Okay, let us make some changes in the data and see what is happening. We add a 4 to the array and we execute this. Dual mode should be displayed actually, but what is going to happen is dual mode is not going to get occurred. It is not showing because in statistics shows only one mode. It will show the first value which is occurred more number of times. When we give 4 in between, okay, if we give 4 like this, the mode will be 4. Now how to show all the mode?
we have two modes here. We have to show all this. What to do? In statistics, we have an option called multi-mode. When we use this multi-mode, it will show all the mode. So let us try to execute this. Now we are getting multi-mode. 4 is a mode and 3 is also a mode. So in this video, we have seen mode, variance and percentile. How to code all these using Python. So in our next video, let us see more statistics and their hands-on. Until then, it is bye from our favorite V and Data channel.